Hello student, today we will learn about all the theorems of circle class 9 and 10. So there 8 theorems are written on board. So we will learn about one by one. So first theorem statement here, equal chords are equidistant from the center. So simple here, if a circle, that it is circle and he is saying that two chords are equal in length. Let this is two chord. Okay, here AB and CD which are equal in length. So statement say that they are equidistant from the center, means distance from the center is what is equal, means let this is point center O. So here M and N, and you know that the line drawn from the center to the chord always make a 90 degree. Okay, so here simple statement by first theorem is that OM equals to OM. For first, the two chords are equal in length, then they are equidistant from the center, means ये distance और ये distance क्या रहेगा, equal रहेगा. Now next theorem statement that same segment subtend equal angle at circle. So let's take another circle. He is saying that same segment. So segment simple. Let this is a segment. This is a segment. Let's segment AB. And he is saying that subtend equal angle at circle. So let draw the line to the circle, and he is making angle. Let us do X. Okay. This is a segment AB, and he is making angle, it is making angle X. Okay. Now another, if you want to make the angle by the same segment to the circle, ये भी क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा. किधर भी ड्रॉ करोगे सब जगह एंगल क्या रहेगा, सेम. एवरीवेयर यू विल गेट सेम एंगल, बिकॉज रीजन क्या बेटा, सेम सेगमेंट make the same angle at circle. Same segment AB form here. Listen, ये भी AB से फॉर्म हो रहा है, ये भी AB segment से फॉर्म हो रहा है, and ये भी क्या है, AB segment से फॉर्म हो रहा है. So this why, that's why these all angles are equal. Okay. Now take the another third one. What is third one? Third one statement that angle at center equals to 2 times angle at the center by the same segment. Okay. Now third one. This is a circle again, and he says that center. Let again, ये हो गया segment A and B. Segment AB, and this is your center. It's the center. And he is saying that single angle at the center is double as the angle at the circle. ठीक है, तो यहाँ की वैल्यू इसका क्या होगा, डबल होगा. सपोज इट्स योर x, तो ये कितना होगा, ये हो जाएगा 2x. रीजन सेम सेगमेंट, द एंगल मेड बाय द सेगमेंट टू द सेंटर इज डबल एज द एंगल मेड बाय द segment to the circle. Okay, means that angle, this is your point P. So simple that here APB equals to half of AOB. In this statement you write angle AOB equals to 2 times of angle APB. Right. Now statement fourth one is what? The angle in semicircle is right angle. Okay. So fourth one, this is circle. Okay, and let this is diameter. So he is saying that if you make the angle by the diameter, by the semicircle, क्या होगा, always form a right angle. Always form a right angle. किधर भी ड्रॉ करो you will get what, right angle. यहां पर भी करोगे तो भी क्या मिलेगा, राइट एंगल. मतलब सेमी सर्कल always form right angle 90 degree. Okay. The next one is what? The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Fifth one, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. And you know what is supplementary? If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is known as supplementary angle. And what is complementary angle? When the sum of two angle is 90 degree, that is known as complementary angle. So here he is saying that supplementary angle. So let's draw. First of all, what is cyclic quadrilateral? So simple that if you are drawing a quadrilateral and the vertices of the quadrilateral are lie on the circumference of a circle, that is known as cyclic quadrilateral. That is cyclic quadrilateral. So fifth one. Chalo. Now draw the circle. ठीक है? It is 4 point. Simple. Join them. Normal. And here the what is quadrilateral? Which have a 4 sides. So here A, B, C, D. Okay. And you can see here all the points, all the 4 points means 4 vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the circumference of a circle. So by this statement he say that the angles, which angles? Opposite angle. So ये angle plus angle की value कितना होगा? 180 होगा. It's equals to 180 degree. Means simple that angle D plus angle B equals to 180 degree. And similarly angle A equals to angle C. You will get what? Again 180 degree. So simple that if you have D equals to 60 degree, let the value of angle D equals to 60 degree. So value of B कितना हो जाएगा? 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 मतलब simple 120 degree. So similarly for the angle A and C, right? Now see the another next theorem is what? Sixth one. He is saying that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Okay, the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equals to the interior and opposite angle. So simple here we will again draw a cyclic quadrilateral. So cyclic क्या होगा? Just draw the quadrilateral. Okay, and now the exterior angle. So this is your exterior angle, and that is equals to opposite interior angle. So first of all, what is the reason behind that? These two angles are equal. Simple that ये value it's a make a linear pair here. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and we know that this angle equals to this angle. So ये भी इसके equal होगा by alternate. So simple here. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equals to the interior opposite angle. Opposite angle means you will not take that two angle because this angle is made by the this line and this line. So that's why we will take the opposite angle. ठीक है? ये angle नहीं होगा. रीजन क्या है? देखो ये exterior angle जो है किस साइड से फॉर्म हो रहा है? इस साइड से और इस साइड से, मतलब ये दोनों को मिला के फॉर्म हो रहा है. तो ये बचा इसका that is your exterior interior angle. Now next one is what? The seventh one. Tangents from a point to a circle are equal. Okay, if you are drawing a tangent from a single point to the circle, you will get the same length of the tangent. Simple that we will draw the circle. We will draw the circle. Okay, and this is your exterior point at point P. And now we will draw the tangent from the point P. Okay, to the circle. So this is your tangent. And let here point A and point B. So these two tangents are drawn from a single point P. So here AP equals to BP. By this statement are equal in the length. Okay. And one more thing that you can draw only two tangents from a single point to any circle. Now we can't draw the another third tangent to the circle by that point P. Okay, listen, the last 8th one. If two circles are touch each other, then the point of contact lies on the line of center. So there are two possibilities when the circles are touched. First one is what? The circle may touch by the exterior or by the external, by the internal. So first one, if they touch externally, okay, this is your 2 point and this is touch here, ये हो गया line of contact. Now they are contacting that point, तो यहाँ से और ये distance, ठीक है, they are lie a single line. So there is statement that the points of contact lies on a line of a center. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा पॉइंट A B, तो P क्या होगा? तो जो वैल्यू P की होगी, जो पॉइंट होगा वो सेंटर के लाइन पे लाई करेगा. दिस इज फॉर द एक्सटर्नल कॉन्टैक्ट. अनदर वन मे बी द इंटरनल कॉन्टैक्ट. ठीक है, सो मैंने ये सर्कल ऐसा बना दिया, 2 सर्कल हो गया. ओके, सो दे टचेस हियर, इसका सेंटर ये हो गया, इसका सेंटर यहाँ हो गया. अगेन वी विल ड्रॉ दैट, यू विल गेट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट लाइज ऑन द लाइन ऑफ सेंटर. नाउ वी विल सी द अनदर theorems of circles. The next one, the angle between chord and tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Most important theorem. This is your circle, okay, and the angle between the chord and tangent. So first draw the chord. It's your chord, okay, and you know the chord divide the circle into 2 parts, into 2 segments. So here point A. Now draw the tangent to the any point, either A or B. So I am drawing here at point A. This is your chord. Sorry, tangent. Now angle made by the tangent and chord equals to the angle to the alternate segment. Now we know that this chord make the angle here to the another segment of the circle. ठीक है, तो यहाँ draw करेंगे. Now this angle equals to that angle. Suppose it's A, ये भी कितना होगा? A. Again see, the angle made by the chord and the tangent equals to the alternate segment. Angle made by the alternate segment to the circle. Now again see, AB क्या कर रहा है? सर्कल को 2 पार्ट डिवाइड कर रहा है. एक सेगमेंट हो गया ये और अदर सेगमेंट ये बड़ा वाला, मेजर माइनर सेगमेंट एंड ये मेजर सेगमेंट है. तो एंगल जहां बनेगा उसके अपोजिट में बनेगा. ठीक है, ये कहां बन रहा है? इन द माइनर सेगमेंट. तो अनदर वाला जो बनेगा इक्वल होगा, वो कहां पर होगा? मेजर सेगमेंट में. और किसके बेस से बनेगा? बाय द कॉर्ड AB. सो दैट्स व्हाई A इक्वल्स टू A. ओके, if they will give you that angle, so this angle equals to this angle. Reason that here this is making the angle by that segment, तो इधर बनेगा इसके इक्वल. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, 10th one is for 9. 10th one, what is 10th one? If a chord and tangent intersect externally, again draw the tangent and the chord, and they are intersecting externally, then the product of length of segment equals to length of the square of the tangent. So simple, this is your chord and this is your tangent, and they are meeting externally at a point P. So simple, let point here A, B, and this is your let Q. So by the statement say that the length of PQ, simple that this AP is a chord और ये क्या दिख रहा है? Tangent. तो segment, product of the segment means AP into BP, you will get what? PQ square. Again see, the product of the segment of the chord equals to square of the tangent length. So AP into PP equals to PQ square. The next one was, if two chords meet internally or externally, then the product of the length of segment are equal. So there are two conditions. मतलब यहाँ पर we are taking the two chord. So first case, if they are intersect internally. If they are intersect internally, this is point O, A, B, okay, C and D. So by this statement, if they are meeting at here P, so by this statement, the product of their segment. So AB का क्या बनेगा part? AB equals to बनेगा हम अपना AP into P. Product of segment. तो कॉर्ड दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ, AP and PB. So multiplication of AP and PB equals to multiplication of PC and PD. So product of PC into PD. But if they meet externally, so there the figure will be suppose your chord, this is another chord, and they are meet externally. So let another point P here, A, B, C, D. Then again we write that AP into PB क्या मिलेगा, AP into PB equals to CD into CP, CD into CP. Okay, so these three theorems are most important for the examination point of view. First one, again we will revise that the angle made by the chord and tangent are equal to the alternate segment. ये वैल्यू इसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, ये chord बना रहा है and that is tangent making angle है, तो ये इक्वल हो जाएगा. Another 10th one, what the chord and the tangent if they meet externally, then the product of the segment of the chord equals to the square length of the tangent. तो ये इसका multiplication AP into PB equals to PQ square. And if the chord are intersect internally and